Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea pilgrammed using an easy method. In the game Pilgrammed, tea typically refers to special in-game items such as tea bags. These items are not for drinking in the traditional sense, but rather provide useful buffs or effects to your character. Knowing how to acquire and use them can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Let's dive into the basics of these unique items. To make tea in Pilgrammed, you'll primarily focus on acquiring tea bags. For instance, breakfast tea bags and green tea bags can both be purchased from an NPC named Pot Cup. Locating this vendor is your first step to stocking up on these beneficial items. They are usually found in specific vendor areas, so keep an eye out for Pot Cup to get your tea supplies. Once you have your tea bags, using them is straightforward. Breakfast tea bags provide 1 health per second for 60 seconds and increase your speed. Green tea bags offer a 7% reduced mana cost and 1 mana per second for 60 seconds. These buffs are incredibly useful, so deploy your tea items strategically to gain an edge in battles or when navigating the game world. They are a simple way to boost your character. To truly maximize your tea benefits in Pilgrammed, consider combining their effects with other in-game buffs or potions. Always ensure you have a good supply of your favorite tea bags on hand, as they can be crucial for quick boosts during challenging moments. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your playstyle. Also, for some great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.